David's hungry. It's 1 p.m. and it's lunchtime. He doesn't want to cook today. He wants to eat something fast. David takes his phone and opens a food delivery app. He looks at the menu and sees burger, pizza, and a salad. He chooses a chicken burger, fries, and a soda. Then he adds his address and pays with his card. Your order will arrive in 30 minutes, the app says. David waits and watches TV. After 20 minutes, the doorbell rings. It's the delivery person with his food. David says thank you and gives a small tip. The burger is hot, the fries are crispy, and the soda is cool. He's happy and full. David thinks, ordering food is easy, but tomorrow I will cook. Vocabulary words. Hungry, when you want to eat. I'm hungry in the morning. Cook, to make food. I cook dinner at home. Menu, I list of food at the restaurant. I read the menu and choose pizza. Choose, to pick or select something. I choose a salad, not a burger. Delivery, when food comes to your home. The delivery is fast today. Address, the place where you live. I write my address on the form. Tip, extra money for good service. I give the driver a tip. Crispy, crunchy or firm when you eat it. The fries are crispy. Full, when you eat enough and don't want more. I'm full after lunch. Now quiz time. What time is it when David feels hungry? It's 1 p.m. What does David use to order food? He uses a food delivery app. What food does David order? A chicken burger, fries, and a soda. Who brings the food to David? A delivery person. Anna is a teacher. On Saturdays, she goes to the supermarket. Today, she needs to buy groceries for the week. She makes a shopping list: eggs, milk, bread, rice, bananas, and chicken. She takes her reusable bag and walks to the store near her house. Inside the store, she takes a shopping cart and starts with the fruits. She picks 6 bananas, 2 apples, and a bag of grapes. Then she goes to the dairy section. She gets a bottle of milk and a box of eggs. In the meat section, she chooses a pack of chicken. Everything is done. She goes to the cashier and pays with her card. The cashier says, "Have a nice day." And Anna smiles. Anna was home with her groceries. At home, she puts the food in the fridge and kitchen. And it's early. She says, "Now I can relax." Vocabulary words. Groceries. Food and items you buy at the supermarket. I buy groceries every week. Shopping list. A list of things you want to buy. I write the shopping list before going out. Reusable bag. A bag you can use many times. I take a reusable bag to the store. Shopping cart. A cart you use in a store to carry items. I put fruits in the shopping cart. Pick. To choose or take something. I pick bananas at the store. Section. A part or area of a store. The milk is in the dairy section. Cashier. The person who takes your money in a store. The cashier gives me my receipt. Fridge. A good place where you keep food. I put milk in the fridge. Now quiz time. What day does Anna go shopping? She goes shopping on Saturday. Where does she buy her food? She buys food at the supermarket. How does Anna pay? She pays with her card. What does Anna do after she gets home? She puts the food away and relaxes. Lisa is a student. She wakes up every day at 7 a.m. But today she is very tired. She wakes up late. She jumps out of bed and runs to the bathroom. She brushes her teeth, washes her face, and puts on her clothes quickly. Lisa looks at the clock. It's 8 a.m. Her bus comes at 8:15. She grabs her backpack and runs outside. At the bus stop, Lisa waits and waits, but the bus doesn't come. She looks at her phone. It's 8:25. It's already late. She missed the bus. Lisa is sad. She sits on the bench. Then she remembers something. Her mom is home today. Lisa runs back and asks her mom for help. Her mom smiles and says, "Let's go." They get in the car and drive to school. And Lisa finally arrives at school. She's just in time. She says, "Thank you, Mom." Her mom waves and says, "Have a good day." Vocabulary words: wake up, to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. Tired, when you need rest or sleep. I feel tired after work. Brush, to clean your teeth using a toothbrush. He brushes his teeth every morning. Quickly, fast, or in a short time. She gets dressed quickly. Miss, to arrive too late to catch the bus. He misses the bus and walks to school. Bench, a long seat for two or more people. They sit on the bench at the park. Just in time, at last possible moment, not late. She got to school just in time. Now quiz time. What time does Lisa usually wake up? She usually wakes up at 7 a.m. Why is Lisa late today? Because she's very tired. What does Lisa do after she wakes up? She brushes her teeth and gets dressed. Who helps Lisa go to school? Her mom helps her. Emma is a student. She loves coffee and always goes to her favorite cafe after class. Today, she finishes class early and walks to the cafe with her headphones on. She orders a large iced coffee and sits by the window. She takes out her notebook to study. After 1 hour, Emma gets up to leave. She throws away her cup, grabs her bag, and walks to the bus stop. But when she checks her bag, oh no, her phone is missing. She runs back to the cafe feeling worried. "Excuse me," she says. "Did anyone find the phone?" The barista smiles and says, "Yes, someone gave it to us." Emma is so happy. She says thank you so much and takes her phone. On the bus, she texts her friend, "I almost lost my phone today." The friend replies, "Emma, that's so you." Emma smiles and looks out the window. She says, "What a day." Vocabulary words: order, ask for food or something to be brought. He orders a burger and fries at the restaurant. Walk, moves by putting one foot in front of the other. She walks to school every morning. Get up, stands or rises from a bed or chair. He gets up at 7 a.m. every day. Throws away, puts something in the trash. Lisa throws away the empty bottle. Grabs, takes something quickly or suddenly. He grabs his phone and runs outside. Runs back, goes quickly to the place where they were before. She runs back to the store to get her wallet. Looks out, turns to see outside, usually through a window or door. He looks out the window to check the weather. Now quiz time. Where does Emma go after class? Emma goes to the cafe after class. What drink does Emma order? She orders a large iced coffee. What happens when she leaves the cafe? She loses her phone when she leaves the cafe. Who helps Emma find her phone? The barista helps Emma find her phone. What does she do on the bus? On the bus, she texts her friend. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next class.